In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then select those three dots next to plus icon on the right and tap on settings. Then adjust all of those however you want to, and when you finished, click on the rest of your screen. Now to create new alarm, use this plus next to three dots. Then adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then pick days of the week by clicking on them. And click on alarm name to label it however you want to. When you finished, scroll down and using all of those switchers next to all of those features, switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can adjust each one by clicking on it. Let's start with alarm sound. Over here you can pick sound source by clicking on, for example, Spotify and logging in to your account, and adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right on this slider. You can also select ringtone, manage those two options, and click on this plus at the top right corner to pick any song from your tablet and apply it. Just click on the song. Click on this switcher to disable or enable. Play selected highlights, and to add this song and set it up, hit done. If you don't want to do that, you can always pick one of those melodies. Just click on the chosen one and go back. Like Sky High. Now tap on vibration and select perfect vibration pattern for your incoming alarm. You can also select silent. Last but not least, hit snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you go back this time, to save your alarm, hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off completely, use this switcher next to it, and to turn it back on, hit the same, now grey one. If you want to make some changes to any of your alarms, click on the chosen one, change wherever you want to, and click on save. Lastly, to get rid of it, hold it, click on delete at the bottom right corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!